So hey guys, this is Abhi and welcome back to my new vlog. So friends, first of all, Merry Christmas to all of you. You can see in that time I am just in church. Guys, this is my first experience that I just came here in church. And this church just situated in Gaushala Road, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So guys, this is my first experience that I just share with you guys. So I just give you first inside tour of this church. So just stay connected in this vlog guys. And again, Merry Christmas to all of you. So just guys, first of all, I just give you through the back camera the inside view of this church. So just stay tuned. So guys, first of all, just take a inside view, and this is the church you can see from here. And you can see here many people just come here and enjoy the Christmas. So guys, in that time you can see in this place there is not so much people, right? Because it's a daytime, right? And everyone just wanted to take a view in evening time, especially Christmas night, right? So, and I am not able to guys give you that particular shots because my home is so far away from this place, that's why. But anyways, we just enjoy in this time also guys. Let's enjoy. So guys, now we're just going inside the church for prayer. So first of all, I just asked to them I can shoot or not, because somewhere you cannot shoot, right? So I have to ask to someone. So you can see this is the entry gate of church. You can, oh my god, awesome. Guys, just take a view from here, so beautiful. So guys, you can see this is the inside of church. You can see I just pray to God we all just be happy forever. So you can see first of all, guys, this is the first experience I just came here at church. So just take an inside look. So guys, first of all, I just give you a shot from nearby. You can see here. And guys, really, sometime if you got a new experience in your life, it's a big achievement also for you, right? So just get a view from here, guys. So guys, चलिए बाहर in that time I just go outside from church. It was a good experience. As I said, I never came a church before. So first of all, just take the inside. This is the front part of church, guys. This is the back door. Huh? This is the back door. Okay. कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा आपका?
It was really nice.
मेरा भी तो फर्स्ट
I
एक्सपीरियंस.
inspired a lot
Thank you so much.
through my colleagues.
Thank you. And guys, this is the outside view. This is the outside view of church campus. Everyone just sitting and enjoy this beautiful occasion. आ गए घूम के, प्रे करके आ गए, समझे रे। So guys, in that time you can see we just having fun here. A Christmas, all friends with all friends. अच्छा लगता है guys, right? थोड़ा है, थोड़ा अपना यहाँ पे घूमना फिरना हो जाता है. So guys, finally we just come out a church campus. It was a new experience for me, and thank you so much for watching. All the best guys. God bless you. Thank you.